how to turn on sound recognition on iPhone. So first, what you want to do is just open up your settings. Once you're there, just simply scroll down till you see accessibility right here. Simply open up that, then scroll down again, and you will see the sound recognition option right here. So on default, it's turned off. So you just need to tap on the switch button right here to turn it on. So what this does is your iPhone will continuously listen for certain sounds, and using on-device intelligence will notify you when sounds may be recognized. And sound recognition should not be relied upon in circumstances where you may be harmed or injured, and high-risk emergency situations, or for navigation. And here on the sounds, you could tap on that, and you could check off what sound you want to be recognized. You could go with the alarms right here, like fire, siren, smoke. You could also go with animals, households, or people right here. And there's a lot of options you could go through right here. And that's how you basically turn on sound recognition on iPhone.